Hello, my name is Nick with Albert Air Conditioning, and today we are looking at a 3-ton Carrier Infinity system. This is the outdoor condenser. This is the Carrier Infinity 3-ton variable speed condenser, 18 SEER, 24 VNA 9. Its measurements are 31 wide, 31 depth by 39 inches high. It sits on a 32 by 32 inch pad that is 3-inch high that we strap the unit to. It uses 40 amp fuses in the disconnect right here, and it uses 3/4 3/8 lines on it. This is a variable speed condenser that operates at 5 different stages, from 25% capacity all the way up to 100% capacity. Its sound level on the 3-ton size is 56 on the low speed decibels and 68 decibels on the high speed, and it comes with a 10-year parts, 10 years compressor, and 1-year labor warranty. Right now it is running at the high stage, so this would be around that 68 decibel range, and I'm easily able to talk and tell you all about this unit. Now I'm going to go inside and show you the rest of the system. So inside here we have the Carrier Infinity variable speed furnace. This is a 60,000 BTU 80% furnace with a 5.8 CU0A0601716. We have a filter rack here on the bottom where you would just open this door, and as you can see the filter, and it would just slide straight out. 16 by 25 by 1 on that. It uses a 4-inch metal flue vent, all B vent all the way up. We have the condensate drain lines here. We have the primary drain as well as a secondary shutoff. So if the primary drain goes into the wall and outside and drains out there, if that ever got clogged, the secondary shutoff switch would kill the system so it doesn't flood your floor. We have a new gas flex back there with a sediment trap right here for the gas. And this furnace is variable speed. It has a variable speed ECM motor in it, so it's extremely quiet. We actually sealed the return cabinet, which is what it sits on. So this is the return grill right here. In this box right there behind it, we actually sealed it with a duct board, so it's only pulling air from inside the house and not the floorboards inside of there. Above that, we have the Carrier upflow fan coil, 3-ton. It's a CNPVP3717. It's 17.5 inches wide by about 27 inches tall. So that's where the refrigerant lines connect from the outside unit to. We always put our filter dryer in here, and that makes for the Infinity equipment, which would be your condenser, furnace, and coil. And the final thing would be the Infinity control thermostat. So once you add this to the system, you get the full functionality of the Infinity system. It's communicating, so there are 4 wires here, 4 wires that attach to the furnace, and only 2 wires outside, so it makes it a very easy installation. You don't have to add any wires. This is a 7-day programmable thermostat. Right now we're on the cool mode. There's also options to do an auto mode, so you could have highs and low for heat. If it goes under 58 degrees, it would turn on the heat. Cooling over 70 degrees, it would turn on the cooling, which we're on now. It also has this touch and go feature, so you can set your home, your sleep, your awake and wake settings and easily go in between those. It shows your outdoor temperature. It's also sensing outdoor humidity, and that's at the actual unit. There's a sensor out there for that. Obviously it shows your day, time, all that stuff. Other features that it has a fan mode on this, which you can actually change. So you can tell the fan what speed to be at. Right now we're gonna run it on auto because it's automatically on for cooling. The other features on here is you actually have humidity control, so you can set that up or down to help your humidity in the house. If it's a very humid day, it will actually turn on a dehumidification function. Other functions in here is obviously you can schedule it. There's a vacation scheduler, set reminders for your filters, check the operating status, do display functionality to turn backlight up or down, track your energy, set your time and date. There's some service information in here. Obviously, this is a Wi-Fi enabled thermostat, so you can set up Wi-Fi and you can actually remotely access this from anywhere you have your phone, your tablet, or computer. It also has a sensor that would sense movement, so if you walked by this, it would turn on or off the system based on those settings. And then it has weather data as well. So this is a great system if you're in the market for a very quiet system that has everything. The variable speed condenser outside with multiple speeds, a variable speed furnace that is extremely quiet, high efficiency. This is an 18 SEER system, so it's very, very efficient. Give us a call and we can give you more information about this. 714-526-6368. Or you can visit us at albertair.com, or check out some of our other videos where we go a little more in depth on the thermostat functionality or the condenser and how those work. Thank you so much. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our page for future videos coming up. Thank you.